Welcome to your Web Help Tutorials. My name's Hunter, and I'm going to be walking you through the portal today. Welcome to the Phone Management Portal. From the login screen, enter your login name and password, or use SSO to log in via Apple, Google, or Office 365. The home page displays stats and activities for your phone system. You can view calls that are currently active, see who placed the call, who received it, and the current call duration. You can also manipulate the call graph to view specific call statistics during selected periods of time. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an overview of users and applications, as well as usage stats for the day, month, and previous month. For additional assistance, click the Help button at the top of the portal to access our knowledge base. There you'll find additional training materials, including articles and how-to videos. You can also create a ticket or get contact information for our support team, who will be happy to assist with any questions.